Yo, what up, guys? I'm here for a snack review. Before I do my snack review all across the whole entire world, subscribe if you're new, share the video, push the notifications, and the good old like. Okay, I have here a cookie. This is called the speculass. It's a Dutch cookie. It's from the Netherlands in Europe, right in Amsterdam. And let's take a taste out of this speculass cookie. I just should I say speculass Dutch cookie. Mm. The speculass cookie gives a really good spice, really good, fantastic spice. Really good. Mm. Very good indeed. So the my rating 10 out of 10. Very good. It's famous in the Netherlands and Amsterdam. That's it for the snack review on cookie. Here's my final thoughts. All across the whole entire world, subscribe if you're new, share the video, push the notifications, and the video like. Live long and prosper, and peace out.